I know you're tired of being broke. Can you imagine if you're the one who will break the chain in the bloodline of your family of being broke? Look at your smile, and what will the future awaits you? So this information may help you, brother. Do you know? Personal growth is the key to unlocking your full potential and living a fulfilling life. But you have to pay, because it demands courage, determination, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone and challenge yourself daily. By pursuing personal growth, you can cultivate the skills, knowledge, and mindset needed to overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and live with purpose and meaning. Believe in yourself, have faith in your abilities, and trust that the universe will support you on your path to growth and self-discovery. The possibilities are limitless, and the journey is yours too. Now, these are the tips that may help you. Step 1. Define your goals and vision. To unleash your full potential, begin by defining your goals and vision. A clear direction is crucial for personal growth and success. Start by setting specific career goals and envisioning where you want to be in the future. This roadmap will help keep you focused and motivated. Take inspiration from Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple Inc. Despite facing numerous obstacles, Jobs never wavered in his pursuit of innovation and exceptional design. His unwavering commitment led to the creation of groundbreaking products like the iPhone and MacBook, reshaping the technology industry. Jobs' story underscores the power of a well-defined vision in achieving remarkable success. By setting clear goals and maintaining a focused vision, you can navigate challenges and stay motivated on your journey. Personal growth requires courage, determination, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Embrace this journey, as it is through overcoming challenges that you will discover your true strength and resilience. Believe in yourself, trust in your ability, and have faith that the universe will support you in your quest for growth and self-discovery. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is yours to embrace. Step 2. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. It's crucial to understand your strengths and weaknesses. Reflect on your abilities and areas for improvement. Identify your core competencies and embrace them, while also working to develop the skills you lack. Seeking feedback from mentors or using assessments can offer valuable insights into your professional capability. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, exemplifies the power of self-assessment. Branson recognized his entrepreneurial spirit, creativity, and risk-taking ability, which fueled his success across various industries. However, he also acknowledged his weaknesses in financial management and attention to detail. By assembling a strong team and seeking guidance from experts, Branson effectively complemented his strengths and addressed his weaknesses, ultimately building a thriving business empire. By identifying and leveraging your strengths while addressing your weaknesses, you can maximize your potential. Personal growth requires a balanced approach of self-awareness and continuous improvement. Embrace feedback and be open to change. Believe in your abilities, trust in the process, and stay committed to your vision. The journey of self-discovery and growth will lead you to unleash your true potential. The possibilities are limitless, and your path to success is yours to create. Step 3. Continuous learning and skill development. Commit to continuous learning and skill development. In our fast-paced world, it's essential to adapt and improve constantly. Invest in your professional growth by attending workshops, seminars, and online courses relevant to your field. Utilize networking opportunities, industry conferences, and publications to broaden your expertise. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, serves as a powerful example of this principle. Bezos consistently sought opportunities to expand his knowledge of the ever-changing e-commerce landscape. By prioritizing learning and skill development, he played a pivotal role in Amazon's phenomenal success, transforming it into a global powerhouse. By dedicating yourself to lifelong learning, you can stay ahead in your industry and continuously enhance your capability. Embrace new knowledge and be open to change, as these are crucial to personal and professional growth. Believe in your ability to evolve, trust in the learning process, and remain committed to your vision. The journey of growth and self-discovery will lead you to unleash your true potential. Step 4. Build a strong professional network. Building a strong professional network is essential. Connect with industry peers, leaders, and mentors who can offer guidance and support. Attend networking events and join relevant professional organizations. Actively engage with your network. Seek advice and contribute your expertise to establish yourself as a valuable resource in your field. Mark Zuckerberg, co-founder and CEO of Facebook, exemplifies the power of a robust professional network. Through connections with influential figures in the tech industry, Zuckerberg gained invaluable insights, formed strategic partnerships, and expanded Facebook's reach. By actively engaging with his network and seeking mentorship, he positioned himself as a respected leader, driving his company to remarkable success. You can gain diverse perspectives, access new opportunities, and accelerate your professional growth. Engage sincerely, offer value, and remain open to learning from others. Believe in the strength of connections, trust in the power of collaboration, and stay committed to building meaningful relationships. The journey of growth and self-discovery will lead you to unleash your true potential. Step 5. Embrace challenges and take calculated risks. It's essential to step beyond your comfort zone and embrace challenges. Take calculated risks that align with your career aspirations and stay open to opportunities that push your skills and knowledge to new heights. By doing so, you can experience significant personal and professional growth while uncovering new possibilities. Jack Ma, co-founder of Alibaba Group, exemplifies the power of embracing challenges and taking calculated risks. Despite facing numerous setbacks and rejections early in his career, Ma persisted and fearlessly built his e-commerce empire. His audacious vision and willingness to explore uncharted territories propelled Alibaba to become one of the world's largest and most successful technology companies. Ma's endeavors revolutionized business in China and beyond, leaving a lasting impact on the industry. By embracing challenges and taking calculated risks, you can unlock new levels of growth and potential. Stay determined, be bold, and believe in your vision. Trust in the process. Remain resilient in the face of setbacks, and stay committed to your goals. The journey of growth and self-discovery will lead you to unleash your true potential. That's it, my friend. Remember, unlocking your full potential is not an overnight process. It takes time, effort, and a commitment to personal and professional growth. Stay focused, remain adaptable, and keep pushing yourself beyond limits. Your career journey is unique, and with the right mindset and actions, you have the power to reach new heights and accomplish your wildest dreams. Subscribe to our channel